Hi guys, so you are ready to start an online store. Maybe you have got a great product idea. You are finally talking that side hustle to the next level. Either way, the platform you choose to going to make or break your experiences. That's why we are talking about Shopify, BigCommerce, and Wix, three of the biggest name in the e-commerce world. If you have ever googled how to start an online store, you have probably come across Shopify. There are reasons for that. It's hand down the most popular e-commerce platform, and for good reason. Shopify is designed for people who want to get their store up and running without any tech headache. You do not need to know how to code, and everything is set up in a way that just makes sense. The dashboard is intuitive, and the setup process walk you through everything step by step. If you can handle Netflix, you can handle Shopify. One of Shopify's biggest strengths is its built-in e-commerce tool. You get everything from abandoned cart recovery, which help bring back shopper who did not complete their purchase, to multi-channel selling, so you can sell on Instagram, Facebook, and even Amazon. The Shopify app store is another huge plus. Need a countdown timer, a subscription services on print or demand integration. There an app for that. Just keep in mind that some of the best app come with an extra cost. Shopify pricing start at $39 per month, which including a solid set of features. However, if you do not use Shopify payment, you will have to pay extra transaction fee starting at 2% per sale, which can add up quickly if you are processing a lot of order. Shopify can also grow with your business, whatever you are just starting out or hitting six-figure sales. Shopify higher tier plan and Shopify Plus for big businesses make sure that one not outgrow and platform. If you are serious about growth and hate the idea of extra transaction fee, BigCommerce might be your best bet. It's a little more advanced than Shopify, but it comes with powerful built-in features that can save you money. BigCommerce has a bit of learning curve compared to Shopify, while it's is still user-friendly. It throws a lot more options at you, which can feel a little overwhelming if you are a beginner. That say, if you are willing to spend some good time getting familiar with it, the extra features are worth it. BigCommerce shine in two areas: no transaction fees and advanced e-commerce tool, including at no extra cost. Unlike Shopify, you do not need to install a bunch of third-party app to get things like custom product filter, advanced SEO tool, and bulk pricing discount. Another cool feature is headless commerce. This lets you use BigCommerce powerful backend with a different front end website builder, which is great if you want to customize your store even further. BigCommerce pricing start at $29 per month, which is not much less than Shopify, and you get no extra transaction fees no matter which payment processor you use. Over time, this can save you money as well. Businesses that want to scale quickly, store owners who want built-in feature without relying on paid app, and people who want to avoid transaction fees will find BigCommerce a great option. Furthermore, if design, flexibility, and ease of use are your top priorities, Wix might be the best option. It's not as feature rich as Shopify or BigCommerce, but for small business and solo entrepreneurs, it gets the job done beautifully. Wix is a drag and drop website builder, which means you can literally click, drag, and move things exactly where you want them. It's perfect for people who want creative control over their store design but do not know how to code. While Wix is not an e-commerce powerhouse like Shopify or BigCommerce, it does offer solid features for small online stores. You get basic inventory management, mobile optimization, and built-in SEO tool. However, things like multi-channel selling and advanced automation tool are more limited compared to the competition. Wix e-commerce plans start at $27 per month, making it the cheapest option on this list. However, if you need more advanced e-commerce tools, you might find yourself outgrowing Wix quickly. Wix is perfect for small business but not ideal for large scale store. If you are expecting a high volume of sale, Shopify or BigCommerce will be a better long-term solution. So which one should you choose? Plainly, if you want the best overall e-commerce experience with an easy to use interface and strong features, Shopify is the safest bet. BigCommerce is great for growth without extra fees, while Wix is ideal for smaller shops that prioritize design and simplicity. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.